Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Ben and we're back with another video. You guys already know the vibes, come on. It's currently 8:41 in the morning, February 22nd. Y'all see that? February 22nd. I was supposed to start my cut March 1st, but I decided we're gonna start it earlier because the earlier I start, the slower I can diet, less chance I have of losing muscle. So today marks day one of my cut. So we're sitting here with breakfast right now. We got chocolate strawberry baked oats, gonna be in the cookbook, gonna be gas. This is one of my staples. I want to put the calories and macros up on the screen for you guys. But yo, this is going to be part one of a new series that I'm gonna call the Summer Shred series. Cheers to day one of the Summer Shred. So good, you guys don't understand. The cookbook will be coming out fairly soon, hopefully. Still working on it, but just down that fairly quickly. But yo, I'm gonna give you guys like a rundown of how I'm starting my cut, since this is like the first episode, I guess. So I haven't been tracking at all for the past like couple months, maybe like probably like 6 weeks. I don't even know. I haven't really been tracking, just been eating, giving myself a little break, and we're pretty fat, so that's why we're cutting for the summer. What I'm gonna start doing today is just tracking. Probably gonna go for around 2,800 calories and see what my body does. And then, like I always advocate, is to eat the same thing like every day. So for the most part, I'm gonna basically be eating the same meals every single day so that there's no variables that are affecting, like, I guess, like my weight on the scale. Even though there is gonna be obviously variables, but I'm gonna try to minimize them. So I'm gonna try to eat around the same thing every day, and that's obviously gonna equate to the same calories. So I'm gonna try to shoot for 2,800, like I said. And then after a week, so next Monday, if my weight doesn't move at all, if my weight goes up, then I know that I need to drop my calories even more. My cardio is already at 30 minutes a day, so I'm gonna keep it at 30 minutes a day. If I need to up that, I can up that in the future, but for now I'm just gonna tweak my calories when I need to. But the point of this is to take it very slow. So the reason I'm starting at 2,800 is to just take it as slow as possible, because if I just drop down to like 2,400 right away, I know I'll lose weight, but my metabolism is going to adapt very fast to that, as opposed to slowly dropping it by a couple hundred calories at a time. It's going to take longer for my metabolism to keep adapting and keep adapting. So it's better to take a slower approach, especially if you want to keep as much muscle as possible. Yeah, that's what we're doing, guys. So I guess I'll just take you guys like through my whole day, really, because I haven't really done like a full like day in the life yet. But basically what Ben does all day: I wake up, I do homework, I eat, I do homework, I eat again, I do homework, eat again, do homework. Yeah, so that's basically what I do all day. School is my main priority right now, and then I have YouTube, obviously. So killing two birds with one stone, making a YouTube video and doing homework. So I'll bring you guys through that. I guess you guys can just watch me do homework if you want to watch that for a little bit. We'll do a little time lapse, you know what I'm saying? If not, I'll see you guys in meal number 2. Whee! Yo, we're back in the kitchen. Meal 2, lunchtime. You guys know. We got 6 servings of egg whites, so like 150 calories of egg whites. I think 20. I can't math. 30 grams of protein from the egg whites. And then our little dessert thing. 1 serving of cream of wheat with just water and then cocoa powder. That's why it's like chocolate with some syrup on top. And then in here there's peppers and green beans with some teriyaki sauce. So that came out to 429 calories. I'll put it up right there for y'all. Yeah, this shit about a bus. Shit about a bus. And I forgot to do this earlier, but I wanted to do a little physique update for you guys. So we got too fat, so we need to cut down. And that's what we're doing. So legs are looking alright. See that? So this is a starting look. But yeah, that's how we looking. But for real, we gotta go eat meal 2 real quick. We're gonna eat this up. My weight is sitting around like 160, 162. I think I'm gonna look good around like 150. So that's what we're gonna shoot for. I'm gonna finish this up, and then I'll see you guys in the next meal, or whenever I see you, you know what I'm saying? We're just taking you guys through my day today, so yeah. We back in the lab, you know the vibes, come on. We got pre-workout meal. I'm about to go hit some chest. I might bring you guys to the gym as well. Big thing of popcorn for the carbs, come on. And then this is gonna look pretty disgusting, but this is, hold on, you guys can see it. It's 2 egg whites, 1 whole egg, and like 3 ounces of chicken breast. That's what I'm eating. It looks disgusting, but it's gonna be pretty good. And yeah, this is meal 3, right? We're gonna down it. But yeah, this meal 3, I'm gonna put it up on the screen. We got popcorn, right? 240 calories for that. 2 egg whites, chicken breast, and a large egg. But yo, I'm gonna get back to you guys at the gym. You know the vibes. We better hit push day, chest, shoulders, tries. Yes, sir. See you guys in a little bit. Peace. Yo, we're back. We in the whip. We taking free. Obviously got Gorilla. Sponsor me, Gorilla. Come on. Yo. Let's get it.
Yo, Tibbets, drop the legacy.
Guys, we back with the post-workout meal. We have chicken with green beans and some apples for some fast-absorbing carbs so that we can restore our glycogen stores as soon as possible. 230 calories. That's it. We'll add the GHUs on there. 240. And I think we're gonna have a protein shake in a little bit too. I'll probably put that in there. But yeah, we're gonna have another meal before I go to bed. And then that's gonna be day 1 of summer shredding. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this up. I think I'm gonna go live on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, what are you doing? I go live like every night basically. You guys love my lives. So yeah, we're gonna go live on Instagram. I'm gonna eat this. And I'll get back to you guys in the pre-bed meal. Boo! And we're back with the pre-bed meal. We have some more baked oats, but this time I put cottage cheese in it just to get a more slow digesting protein. We got 40 grams of oats, 2 whole eggs for the fat to digest slower overnight, serving of cottage cheese, and a scoop of protein powder. That comes out to 510 calories. And for the day, we're just about approaching 2,400 calories. So if I am hungry after this, I might eat something else to get a couple more calories in. But for the most part, that's my full day of eating and training. And I'm gonna make a little series out of this, as I said before. So yeah, this is gonna be part 1 of the series of summer shredding, because we're getting a little fat. We're a little fat right now, so we gotta cut down. But yo, if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to drop a like down below. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Come on. Comment for the algo. A lot of you guys always text me and say, your videos are so good. Your videos are like, you guys compliment my videos, but you never comment. And the comments help so much. You guys don't understand. It could be anything. It don't even have to be about the video. You can just be like, hey Ben. You know what I'm saying? Like, all the comments help. They help the algo. They help push the video to more people. So, leave a comment. Leave a comment. If you need a training program, I will be doing custom training programs. Custom tailored to you. It's literally custom. I promise I'm not going to give you any cookie cutter bullshit. We're going to get on a call. We're going to go over your goals, everything. We're going to go over what body parts you want to bring up. Like if you want to bring up your chest. Which exercises cause you pain, so we can take those out of the program. Which exercises you don't like. Which exercises you do like. Bunch of questions. We're going to get on a call. We're going to go over all that. And I'm going to customize you a program based on that. And yeah. It's a lot more custom tailored to you, because you could just buy anybody's program and it might not work for you. So yeah, and I also cut the price of my coaching in half for you guys. In half, just because I want to get more clients and I want to help more people. So the price has gone down. So if you want to hire me as a coach, that is also linked in the description, as well as my custom programs. I'm not wearing it right now, but Fitletics is the highest quality gym clothing in the game right now. So if you want to go pick any of that up, that link will be down there as well. Code BENS, you will be supporting me. I greatly appreciate it. Even if you don't buy anything, go over and check out Fitletics. Great company, and excited to be working with them. So yeah. But yeah, I think that is all. Part 1 of the summer shredding. Part 2 coming soon. But guess what? I will see you guys in the next one.